Muscle car fans, this is not a drill. After decades of silence, the Plymouth Barracuda is back for 2025, and it's more powerful than ever. This legendary nameplate has been revived under the Stellantis umbrella, and it's ready to take on the likes of the Ford Mustang, Chevy Camaro, and Dodge Challenger. But does it live up to its legendary status? Buckle up as we dive deep into the design, performance, and tech of the all-new 2025 Plymouth Barracuda. The 2025 Barracuda is a perfect blend of retro muscle and modern aggression. It takes inspiration from the classic 70s Cuda, with a long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance. The LED headlights have a retro look, while the modern front grille and aerodynamic sculpting make it feel like a car built for the future. At the rear, you'll find LED taillights with a classic Cuda design, a ducktail spoiler, and quad exhaust tips, giving it an unmistakably powerful presence. And if you're a fan of customization, Plymouth is offering multiple trims and special edition color schemes, including the iconic plum crazy purple. Inside, the Barracuda stays true to its muscle car roots but with modern luxury and technology. You get a 12-inch fully digital gauge cluster, a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Uconnect 5, and a driver-focused cockpit that keeps you connected and in control. The materials are premium, with options for Alcantara, carbon fiber, and classic houndstooth seats. And for those who want the best of both worlds, there's even an optional HUD, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Now, let's talk performance, because what's a Barracuda without raw power? Plymouth has brought the heat with multiple engine options. Fire base model, a twin-turbo 3.0L Hurricane inline-six, pushing 500 HP. Fire performance trim, the 6.2L Supercharged HEMI V8, cranking out 750 HP. Fire top-tier track model, a hybrid-assisted 7.0L Hellephant V8, producing a jaw-dropping 900 plus HP. And for those wondering, yes, you can get it with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters is also available for those who want lightning-fast shifts. The 2025 Barracuda isn't just about straight-line speed, it's built to handle. The new adaptive suspension, wider tires, and upgraded Brembo brakes mean this beast grips the road like never before. Whether you're drag racing or carving up canyon roads, the Barracuda delivers a thrilling, confidence-inspiring drive. And let's not forget the exhaust note. This thing roars like a true muscle car, thanks to an active exhaust system that lets you switch between stealth mode and full-on track mode. So, is the 2025 Plymouth Barracuda the muscle car comeback we've all been waiting for? With insane power, aggressive styling, and modern tech, it's clear that Plymouth is back with a vengeance. But we want to hear from you. Is the Barracuda the best new muscle car of 2025, or is it too late to the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-octane car reviews. See you on the next ride.